Are you searching for the best macro-focusing rail? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best macro-focusing rail in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Leofoto MP180S Macro Focusing Rail. The 7.1-inch MP180S Macro Focusing Rail is a precision linear motion lead screw focusing stage and rail, incorporating a camera platform with a rotating archetype quick-release set. The rail has a capacity of 6.7 pers of travel distance, each full rotation of the crank providing 1.25 mm of movement, precise camera positioning. The focusing knob has a crank handle that conveniently folds flat. The rail has a hollowed-out design to reduce weight, but it still maintains a robust 17.6-pound load capacity. The base of the rail features an archetype dovetail, making it easy to mount on compatible devices. It also has 4 removable, rubber-tipped feet for tabletop use. The camera platform has a locking lever and incorporates an archetype quick-release clamp that can be quickly rotated into 4 positions in 90-degree increments. The included NP50 quick-release plate has traction pads to resist movement and an adjustable anti-twist flange to prevent unwanted movement between the plate and camera body.